Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy Donnn here today, man. And today our video is gonna be on the cost of all the mods on my street sweeper. The one and only gold brick, gold Jeep, gold Rubicon, all that, y'all. So today we're just gonna be talking about the cost of all my mods and show y'all a little before and after clips of where it started and where it is now. Kind of like this thing back here. But y'all, let's get straight into this video. Enough talking, man. And for all the people who are thinking about, going out to buy a Jeep, or if you currently have a Jeep and you want to know how much mods cost on a Jeep Wrangler, this is the video for you, especially if you're trying to get an idea of the price and how much money you will be spending, y'all. So hit that like and subscribe button and we're going to jump straight into this video, y'all.
Music.
All right, YouTube, first things first, I'm gonna show you guys a video of my Jeep just completely stock, and the only upgrades it had at that time was I think it was a 2-inch lift, because the Rubicon, it comes with the factory 2-inch lift, the Mopar lift kit, y'all. So here, I'm gonna let y'all get a little peek at what my Jeep looked like at the very beginning, y'all. So here it is right here. All right, y'all, I'll try to stay in order, but 9 times out of 10 I probably won't stay in order, but I just try to stay in order within my purchases. So like if I bought the tires first, I'll go price of tires, rims, lift kit from there on out. So first things first, and y'all gotta give me a pass on my Jeep right now, y'all. It's kind of dirty. Even though it's a pavement princess, y'all, it still gets dirty. And right now it's dirty. You can see the dirt around the tires, and the tire I decided to go with, y'all, is actually a 37-inch tire, and the brand is RBP, which is Rolling Big Power, and it is on a 26-inch rim, y'all. But for 5 tires, y'all, what I paid for 5 tires, y'all, it was about roughly $1,900, and that's for 5 tires, y'all. So that's not that bad. That's about almost $400 a tire, y'all. So that's what I spent for all 5. And whether you have a bigger rim or smaller rim, y'all, it does not matter. Really, you're going to spend about the same amount for a 37-inch tire, which is going to be about $300 and up, y'all. So if you're going with a 37-inch tire, y'all, that's your price range to be looking at. All right, y'all, the second mod that goes along with this 37-inch tire is actually the rim, y'all, and I decided to go with a 26-inch rim. I know that's not ideal for most Jeeps, y'all, so you might be looking at a bit cheaper price with that, but with a 26-inch rim, my bad, y'all, 26-inch rim, the brand is hardcore off-road. I spent for 5 rims, y'all, I spent $2,700 for 5 rims, y'all. So that is a pretty penny. Let y'all get a closer look at this hardcore rim, y'all. It's a pretty good brand, by the way, y'all. Pretty sturdy rim, pretty strong as well. I took it off-roading, and the rims didn't get scratched as much neither. But for 5 of these things, y'all, I spent $2,700, and that is almost $600 a rim, y'all. I don't know what rims you guys would decide to go with, but if you're looking at a 26-inch rim by 14, by the way, by a good, good name brand, good sturdy brand, reliable brand, so that's pretty expensive, y'all. And I spent $2,700. Like I said, that was that for that 26-inch rim. But if you're going for the smaller rim, y'all, you probably would save a lot of money. Just saying that. Depending on what style you want to go with. Like I said, y'all, everybody likes for their things to be, different in different kinds of ways. So if you like a bigger rim, you're going to spend more. Smaller rim, you might not spend as much, but you're still going to spend the same amount if you want to go that 37-inch tire route, y'all. So on to the next mod. In the next mod, y'all, I want y'all to check out, which is a pretty important mod on Jeeps and trucks as well. But right now you're at the Jeep channel, Donnn Jeeps, y'all. So we're going to keep it on Jeeps. And the next important mod is the lift kit. And I know this is an important mod to almost every Jeeper in the Jeep community, is that lift kit, because that's the first thing I know when people buy a Jeep. They're trying to decide what inch lift kit they want to go with and what kind, what brand, all of that, y'all. So let me show y'all my lift kit and give y'all an idea on what I spent. So here we go right here. All right, y'all. You see, I went with a 6-inch rough country lift kit, y'all. So far, as a little review for you guys, I'm pretty satisfied with my rough country lift. I know a lot of people, you know, try to talk down on rough country, but if you're not no serious off-roader, guys, rough country is definitely a good brand to go with, y'all. Don't let anybody scare you away with all the bad reviews, because you know they will. Just because they don't have it, they don't want you to have it either. But I spent roughly, for a 6-inch, guys, on the rough country, it was $2,400. And actually the 4-inch lift on their site was $2,400 as well, y'all. So I was like, I might as well get 2 more inches for free, basically 2 more inches at the same price. So I've been kind of stupid for me not to get, you know, a bigger lift at the same rate, guys. So that's why I went with the 6-inch, and I spent about $2,400. And before I got any of my mods, y'all, actually before I even got the Jeep, I kind of just pictured it as a, you know, a little simple 4-inch, not too high, not too low, maybe a 3.5, something like that. I didn't want to go too crazy, but when you actually get the things in hand, it's like you had this vision, but now, like, let's go bigger. So I just went big and went home, you know, guys, and went with the 6-inch instead of the 4-inch, because for the same price, I might as well get the 2 inches. Like I said before, that would have been pretty pointless paying the same price for something less. But it's all about what you guys like. I know that you can get them from 2 inches all the way up to 8, and I think 8 inches only fit on Gladiators. You might have to look into that one, y'all. I haven't seen a Jeep Wrangler on 8 inches. I've seen a Jeep Gladiator on 8 inches, not a Wrangler though, guys. But it's all about what you like, and I know that's a pretty big, you know, area in the Jeep community. So if you're going with a 6-inch, guys, I paid $2,400 for a rough country, and that's not a bad brand. Like I said, I know brands like Terraflex and Fox, you will pay a little bit more, and they have brands that are, you know, cheaper than rough country, guys. So it's a lot of options to go with, but I wouldn't recommend you to try to take the cheap way out on that. They consider rough country cheap, but $2,400 isn't cheap in my book, guys. So don't let nobody say that's the cheap way out, guys, at all, because $2,400 isn't cheap at all. Okay, y'all, probably the mod that everybody's been waiting for, and I probably wouldn't even consider this a mod, but I'm gonna tell y'all anyway, add this to the video, because I guess it is an upgrade. Just not your ideal upgrade or everyday upgrade on the Jeep, but this vinyl wrap, y'all, this chrome gold vinyl wrap, y'all, this mod cost me almost about $6,000, and it is my favorite, by far my favorite mod on this thing, y'all. So let me give y'all a walk around this thing. Moment of silence for this brick of gold. You probably never seen this on a Jeep, so let's just get a little walk around of this mod, y'all. All right, y'all, so I just considered that my little bonus mod, that vinyl wrap. It's pretty exclusive. My favorite mod by far, and the most expensive mod by far, guys. I hope you guys like this, and I hope you guys like this video. So make sure you hit that like, subscribe button for your boy Donnn C. Stay tuned for all the videos coming, and a couple shorts. And this weekend, y'all, if y'all haven't seen it, y'all will see it this weekend. TJ finally got his Jeep wrap, so we're gonna have a little competition to see who can get the most likes, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for that video. Hit that like, subscribe button, man. We out of here.